believe in today's world, money is definitely more important as there's nothing can be done without money.
Money is not that important. You can't buy your happiness of your spouse, happiness of your children, happiness of your parents. You can't buy time with money.
80s, if you'd have chosen work, you'd regret that I don't have so much money. Right, and if I had this money, I could have done this. I had this money, I could have done
You
that.
can't earn money without working. If I will work, I will definitely have some amount of money in which I can live peacefully.
You know,
For the discussion and kind of debate session, what is more important? What would you choose?
Work. I will choose work.
Work, and you?
money.
Money. Okay, please start.
In my opinion, work is more important than money because we can't buy happiness, joy, the satisfaction with money, and we work for the money.
I believe in today's world, money is definitely more important as there's nothing can be done without money. And if you want a good life, a sustainable life, and a healthy, luxurious life, you need money.
But there are people who have a lot of money, but they are not happy because they earn money, but they are not satisfied because in the race of earning money, they have lost their loved ones, and now in the old age or at the age of 80, they are just having regret that why I ran before money, because if I have worked, at least I have a satisfaction that I have worked for my satisfaction. So money is not that important. You can't buy your happiness of your spouse, happiness of your children, happiness of your parents. You can't buy time with money.
Yeah, I definitely believe that we lost these things in between. But when it comes to personal needs, if you need your spouse to be happy, if you need your children to be happy, you definitely need money. You need to satisfy their needs, and for that, you need money. You can't tell them, you have me, be happy with
Money
it.
can't be the basis of a relationship. Like you are saying that if your father does not have money, so you will not live with him, or like you are saying that money is the
At
basis
some
of any
point,
relationship.
all parents and children have a discussion over it, that why others children is having this and I'm not having a. If others children are having a good bicycle, why I'm not having a good bicycle?
It's all about teenage. After getting maturity, every child know that my parents did best what they can do. So the children who are living in slums, they don't have money, but they are at least happy that they are happy in what they have. And at least if I do a work which will satisfy my inner peace, so when I will at the age of 80 and sitting in my garden, so I will remember that I had done the work with which I helped others, and I didn't run before the money.
But I feel in 80s, if you'd have chosen work, you'd regret that I don't have so much money. Right, and if I had this money, I could have done this. I had this money, I could have done
You
that.
can't earn money without working. If I will work, I will definitely have some amount of money in which I can live peacefully.
You know, most of people choose work for you can say reputation or their value in society. But I feel nowadays we should give less importance to society and give more importance to ourselves, our needs, our people's needs.
People also choose money just for the status. Like they know that if I have large amount of money, people will respect. And there's a very famous example that what's your salary? If you will say that my salary is higher, you will say please, then you will get respect, but they will ask you for the borrowing, they will ask you for the money. And if you will say that my money is lower, then they didn't respect you. So it's all about respect. Even money is the status symbol of in the society.
Yeah, so if you're choosing money, it will definitely give you respect in the society, and more than respect, people will take you as a helper person. If I'm choosing work, they know that I don't have the money, and in need they can't come to me. But if I have the money, they will come in need to me. So this will definitely, as you said, the relationship gets destroyed. This money thing, if they're in need, they can come to me, I can give them money. This will increase the relationship between them and me.
You know about Neeraj Modi? He has hell lot of money, but he flew away from India.
Neerav Modi.
Neeraj Modi. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
he didn't have any kind of respect from our Indians. So, and there are so much of illegal miners. They have hell lot of money. The politicians, they have hell lot of money, but they didn't have any respect in our society. So that they didn't get they didn't have any respect with the money they have.
If you're giving me the example, then the biggest example we know is Mr. Ambani.
He
Where-
has worked his whole life very hard to earn
Yeah,
that
yeah,
money.
he has.
He didn't put the money before work. Because he worked, he earned money. So
Yeah, but he could have chosen the work, doing social work or doing anything else.
He is
and
doing the
he'll
social
be
work.
less of money that time. But now he's the richest man of Asia.
because he worked. If he didn't work in his early days or his father had didn't work, then how they had this
But
much
if you
of
think
money?
about Mr. Mukesh Ambani, first thing that will get in your mind is how rich he is. You will not think, wow, what kind of work he is doing. When it comes to work, everybody is criticizing Jio, Reliance. But when it comes to money, everybody is praising Ambani.
No one will criticize. No one is criticizing Jio. Everyone is praising because the internet accessibility we have today, the 5G accessibility we have today is just because of Jio. And the other thing, if Mukesh Ambani had this thought that now I am sufficient, I have that much of money, he would have stopped his work. And now every money has its limit. Because if suppose if he stopped working now, then the money will at a time the money will empty, and then how his sons will grow their business.
Yeah, so then it's all about
Then they need
chasing
to
the
work.
money. Everybody is chasing the money. Mukesh Ambani is still chasing the money.
But he's working now without work. How could you earn money? You can't get money just like from the trees or somewhere. There's no plants of trees.
It's about working where you work. You work for the money or you work for the, social work, reputation, and all of this. This is what we're talking about right now. And I feel everybody is chasing money.